The incentive of Mitsubishi Electric to join umati is to provide an opportunity for customers that want to embrace digitalization and integrate machines to existing IT systems with no difficulty. So for this fact, so far there have been no communication standards for machine tools available until now, so umati is representing a big step forward for this. And we as a partner and voting member support this in a global way. One of the biggest challenge would be the standardization process. There are various manufacturer needs and data, and also various customer needs, and therefore the challenge would be the decision of which data is going to be standardized. We integrate umati in our OPC-UA server. We are right now developing an integrated OPC-UA server in our CNC, and this OPC-UA server can be adjusted to various customer needs, and also it's possible to load different information models like umati companion specification or the CNC companion specification and many more.